Hi everyone, my name is Josh Stroschein. I also go by the Cyber Yeti. I'm currently a reverse engineer with the Flare team at Google. The thing that really drives me and that I'm passionate about is sharing knowledge and sharing education. And what really inspired me or motivated me to contribute to Clark, a lot of times the content that I produce is geared towards the learner. And this was a great opportunity to provide educational material for those that are teaching it. Reverse engineering can be a very difficult field. It can have a very steep learning curve, as well as malware analysis. And so I wanted to find ways in which I could share my experience learning it with others to hopefully make it more accessible, to make it easier for them to get into the field. And everybody is impacted by cybersecurity. And at the core of that, understanding how threat actors and other nations are, essentially weaponizing the cyber landscape and cyber infrastructure to attack. In order to understand how all of that works, we need to be able to reverse engineer it. We need to be able to understand how malware works. And that's why learning this material is so critical. So I really hope that you enjoy the content that I'm producing. If you have any feedback, please don't hesitate to let me know.